If you're doing sit-ups to strengthen your core, you might be making things harder than they need to be. Sit-ups can strain your lower back and don't always engage your core effectively. In this video, you'll learn how to do planks correctly, common mistakes to avoid, and a simple beginner-friendly plank routine you can do at home. Let's get started. Planks are one of the safest and most effective core exercises you can do. Unlike sit-ups, planks work your entire core without putting pressure on your spine. They strengthen your abs, lower back, shoulders, and glutes at the same time. This full-body engagement helps improve posture, balance, and overall stability. When done correctly, planks activate multiple muscle groups at once. They train your core to support your body in a strong, stable position. Now let's go through proper plank form step by step. Place your forearms on the floor with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs behind you with your toes on the ground. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core by gently pulling your belly button in. Squeeze your glutes and keep your hips level. Avoid letting them drop or lifting them too high. Keep your neck relaxed and look slightly down at the floor. Breathe slowly and steadily throughout the exercise. One common mistake is letting the hips drop, which can strain your lower back. Another mistake is raising the hips too high, which reduces core engagement. Many people also tense their neck and shoulders or hold their breath. Focus on controlled breathing and a relaxed but strong posture. Remember, proper form is more important than how long you hold the plank. If a full plank feels too challenging, there are easier variations you can try. Knee planks reduce pressure while still strengthening your core. Incline planks, where your arms are elevated, are also a great option. As you get stronger, you can gradually work your way up to a full plank. Here's a simple beginner plank routine you can follow. Hold a plank for 20 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds. Repeat this 3 times. If needed, switch to a knee plank at any point. As you build strength, slowly increase your hold time. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference when done consistently. Planks are a simple and effective way to build core strength safely. They're perfect for beginners and anyone looking to improve stability and posture. If you found this video helpful, check out our shorts for quick fitness tips. Subscribe to SimpleFit Daily for more beginner-friendly workouts and healthy habits you can stick to.